Hey everyone, welcome to Paper Plate Jack-O-Lantern. My name is Miss Lorena, and right now I'm going to show you what you're going to get from the library, what supplies you're going to get from us, and what you'll need from home. So, at the library, if you come to pick up supplies, you will get 2 paper plates, a piece of green pipe cleaner, and a plastic tea light, which hopefully you can see it is on. It is a little faint and it's hard with all the lights on, but it'll help light up your jack-o'-lantern. So that's what you'll get from us, and what you'll need from home is something to color your jack-o'-lantern. I'm going to use an orange crayon today, so you can use crayons, color pencils, paint, whatever you have at home you can use. A pencil to outline your jack-o'-lantern's face, scissors, and then some type of glue. So I think the school glue might work best, but you could try it out with a glue stick or even taping the sides just to hold it together. It'll work. All right, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to turn my camera down here. All right, so what I'm going to do first is take my pencil, and I'm actually going to draw just like one line, and I want to say it's like a quarter off of the bottom of the plates. So straight line, I'm going to take both plates just to make it easier and cut once. And you want to cut straight across. That's why I try to draw a straight line, because you want your jack-o'-lantern to stand up. So I might need to cut just so it stays straight. So that's a little better. All right. And now what I'm going to do is color the outside, the bottom part of your plate. That's what you want to paint or color, and I'm going to try to do it as quickly as I can to kind of just get through it. So mine's going to be just kind of all over the place. And what you can do on the inside of your other piece or other paper plate, so I'll show you in a second. Okay, so this is mine for now. You want to make sure that it does pop out. On the inside, you can color or paint this black too. It kind of helps with the shadow for your jack-o'-lantern when you see through inside. Instead of it being white, it can be black, or it could also be orange. So I'm just color the inside of this one, and you also want to do the outside of this one, of the back piece. So you have one front piece and one back piece, and this is just so it shows orange all over. So again, however you want to color or paint your craft is up to you. All right, so this is mine. Again, you want to make sure that pops out again. Okay, so this is my back piece, my front piece, and now for my front piece, I'm gonna make a little face. I'm just gonna some teeth and a mouth, so there's that, and then a little triangle nose and triangle eyes. And I found to make it easy, you can use your pencil and poke a hole. You might, if you need help, maybe ask for help, but if you poke a hole in what you're going to cut out from the plate, it makes it easier to cut out. All right, so there are my holes, you can see, And I'm just going to use my scissors and start from where I put the hole. And then you want to cut out whatever shape you drew. And if it's not perfect, that is okay. So I got one eye out. And do my other eye. Alright, so I got two eyes. I'm going to do my nose next. So you could do different shapes for your jack-o'-lantern too. They don't have to be triangles. You can make a different face for your jack-o'-lantern. My nose, and then I'm going to do my mouth. So it depends on what you want yours to look like. You can make it a little scary. You can make it happy. It's up to you. Alright, so I'm going to finish up here. Alright, so I got my face in there. And I got my two pieces, okay? So before I glue down all my sides, I want to take my piece of pipe cleaner. Make sure that you leave about an inch at the bottom to place in your jack-o'-lantern. And then I'm just going to curl the top, and how you do that is you wrap it around your finger a couple times. And then you can stretch it out a little bit. So there's that piece that goes right up top of your jack-o'-lantern, okay? So I'm just going to put a little glue around that and make sure it stays. And you might want to do that after, actually. So I'm going to place that down. And then I'm gonna take my bottom part of my jack-o'-lantern and then just put the white school glue around it. And then this is when you want to put your piece of the green pipe cleaner at the edge there. And then take your front facing jack-o'-lantern and make sure that the bottom is the flat part. So you kind of want to make sure that it's even. And I'm just going to hold this here for a minute. You can pinch the sides to make sure it stays. You might want to wait a little bit until it's all dried up. And then you can use your tea light to place it underneath. Alright, and then you can pick it up once it's all dry and then stand it up. So I'm going to bring up my camera and you can see the paper plate jack-o'-lantern, and then this just goes right inside. Alright, so I hope you have fun making your jack-o'-lantern. You can share with us on our Facebook page. You can share your picture with us, and I hope you have fun.